Want to know what to use avocados for besides guac? How about a moist, sweet, hearty avocado bread? Let's go. First, I'm going to chop up some mixed nuts. This is just a bag of unsalted. You can use mixed salted nuts, but just make sure that remove any extra salt from the ingredients list. Then just split a couple avocados in half. And I like to take out the seed here, just tap the seed with the knife and turn it. Then in a bowl, I'm just going to get that beautiful avocado meat in. And I'm going to use a fork to mash it all up until it's all semi-smooth. Crack in a couple of room temperature medium-sized eggs. Add in my sugar and give it a good twirl here, good mix. Add in about a half teaspoon of the baking soda, not baking powder, but baking soda, and about a tablespoon of the sesame everything bagel seasoning mix. Add in some of the nuts. And now I'm going to add in about a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. Give it a good mix, and the consistency should be pretty smooth. Add in the butter, and then just continue to mix until it's really smooth. I'm going to leave all the ingredients list down in the descriptions in the bottom of the video, so you can see exactly what I used. Now I've got this 8-inch bread pan. Although it's non-stick, I'm still going to use some parchment paper because it's going to make it easier to take it all out. Now here's a nice tip: when the parchment paper rolls up on you, just crush it all up, crumple it all up. It'll stay nice. It won't roll up on you. It's easier to line the pan with. Next, I'm going to just pour in all the mixture, all the bread mixture. I'm going to tap it all down. Make sure it's all nice and flat. Get all the air bubbles out. Give it a nice couple of taps here, 3 or 4 taps. Add some more of this everything bagel mix to the top. And don't forget, we're going to have to add some more of the remaining nuts to the top so it looks beautifully at the top. Now, get this into a 350-degree oven right in the center rack. And I'm going to set the timer for about 55 minutes. It may take a few minutes more, a few minutes less. And you'll know it's done when the skewer comes out clean. You want to test a couple of areas to make sure. If it comes out clean and you're ready to go, let's get it on the counter. Once it comes out dry just like this, I'm going to pull it out and get it onto a cookie rack. All right, so I let it cool for a little bit now. I'm going to cut into it. It's still a little warm, so you got to take your time when you cut. So let's take a look at what it looks like here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. You see that? It's steamy. Get another cut here. Nice and gentle. It is very soft. Look at that. Soft, warm, and ridiculous. And delicious too. So if you tried this today, comment and hit subscribe. And if you want more quick and easy cooking videos, check out this video right here. I'm your Everyday Joe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.